This is a fight to the death between a Havanese puppy and a Kenyan sand boa. In this corner, weighing a whopping 6 pounds, 4 ounces, Q, the Destroyer. And in this corner, from the forests of Kenya, weighing 1 pound and 3 ounces, Flavio, the Strangler.
Flavio! Mi amore!
Let's get ready to rumble. Round one. Oh, the puppy is destroying that poor snake. Looks like, oh, he's eating it. He's starting to eat it. Oh, he's gonna eat the whole thing. Oh my goodness. The snake has eaten, the dog has eaten the snake. There's only the tail left. That's disgusting.